We're working on the challenges of too much water, too little water, or water of the right quality. We need to work in partnership with many organisations to tackle those.
These 3 London plane were planted in June 2015. It was a collaborative project between City of Trees, the University of Manchester, the Environment Agency, United Utilities and Salford City Council. And the idea was to measure the impact that street trees can have on the quality and quantity of road runoff.
Underneath the trees you can see are actual tree pits, and when we do have a downpour, the tree pits take up the water that could overwhelm the drainage system and lead to flooding and drains backing up. Also what they are doing is they're taking up the pollution from the road. You'll have diesel, petrol, oil, so they're actually filtering out pollutants as well, so that's a real benefit.
To me, a green Manchester is a place where we enjoy the natural environment, we embrace it. What the natural environment does for us is brings a multitude of benefits that we should all want and enjoy.